Hi, my name is Caleb Schmid, and this is my GameStats command line tool um, TypeScript project. So here we've got a TypeScript project here that's ready to go. I have my terminal up, and if I do npm run dev, then it'll debug it. And this is what comes out right now. This is the leaderboard for my game that I've been developing over the past few modules. And so there's 22 scores total. And if you do one, it'll sort them by username. So it's in alphabetical order from A to Z. And then 2 makes it descending, so Z to A. 3 sorts by score, so lowest scores are at the top and high scores are at the bottom. And then 4 is the high scores, which is what we want. And then if you push 5, we can exit. And so to show you how this works, we have a index.ts. This is where our main execution is. Everything comes from here. So you can see that it utilizes a bunch of different files from inside the project. It uses some utility, some services, and some models. And all of these serve to provide structure for the app and to make everything encapsulated. And so it starts off by loading the leaderboard. It stores the data in using fetch leaderboard, and then it stores leaderboard as a leaderboard object using the data as an argument. And so then it displays the leaderboard. It logs it to the console saying how it's sorted, and then it'll display the sorted menu with leaderboard. And so yeah, the different files we have in here, we have supabase.ts. All this does is it makes it so that when we want to contact Supabase, it'll export this variable called Supabase using create client. It'll use the URL and the key from Supabase, which is where all of my leaderboard data is from. And then in the service, it will allow us to fetch the leaderboard using the this await. It'll await supabase.from.select, and then so this is our asynchronous function here. And then if an error is thrown while fetching the leaderboard, then it'll tell us, and then it will take the data and map it to a leaderboard entry. And then from there, we have our leaderboard. We have a couple of enumerations of sort by and sort order. All of this is to store the entries, the sorting. This creates it, and then yeah, and then all of this is just kind of to get like what the current sort is to inform the rest of the program. And then this is our sort function. It uses a merge sort, and so if you're familiar with the merge sort, it will it's an in place merge, and so it will start with a comparison. It'll check to see if it's equal. It'll check some stuff here, and then compare it, and then by the end of it, it's all sorted. Or no, sorry, this is the merge sort. The merge sort is inside of our sorting algorithm. Here we go, and the merge here has a left and a right and a compare function, and then it will do a nested statement here where I and j are the left and right, and it will compare them, and then it will push them according to whatever is the highest. And so yeah, and then it combines it all together. And then this is just our displays. So we've got the displaying of the leaderboard, displaying the sorted menu, the sort menu, and yeah, in a nutshell, that's my program. So thanks so much for watching.